Okay, so we're going to start out with a while block. And inside the while block, we're going to do an if statement. And then an else statement. So while, and inside we have an if and an else. The if statement is going to have all the sensors selected. This corresponds to the robot being on a white surface and all of the sensors picking up a signal. And then inside of that if statement, we're just going to have something very simple, a DC motor block that will be at speed 5, so half speed. And then both motors are going to be forward, motor 1 and motor 2 forward, speed 5. This will make the robot always go forward while it's on a white surface. But if it ever comes off of the white surface in any way, if any of these ones are zeros, then that will be the else command section. And in the else command section, we want to have a DC motor, and we'll be changing this to speed 5 also. I just think it's better to keep things at half speed. It's a little bit easier to control. And we're going to have a backward and backward setting, so both motors backward at speed 5. Then a short delay. So this delay will do 0.2 seconds. That's 200 milliseconds. Scroll down a little bit to get a little bit more room. One more DC block. We're going to spin around a little bit away from whichever edge we have gone over. So this will be forward motor 1, backward motor 2, both again at speed 5. So this will be a spinning motion. And we only want it to spin for a short time, so again, just 0.2 seconds. And that's it. This is the code that will have the robot travel on a white surface. If it gets to the edge, that's the else command, and those will be the backwards and spinning motions, and then we'll go back into the loop again, return to these if statements as a result.